Welcome to Buddhamedics. Today we'll learn humerus bony landmarks. The humerus is the bone of the arm. It is the longest bone of the upper limb. It has three parts: upper end, shaft, and lower end. Let's learn views. This one is the anterior view. Posterior view. Lateral view. And medial view. This one is the head of humerus. It is directed medially and upwards. It articulates with the glenoid cavity of the scapula to form the shoulder joint. The head forms about 1/3 of a sphere and is much larger than the glenoid cavity. This is anatomical neck, which separates the head from rest of the upper end. This is lesser tubercle. It is an elevation on the anterior aspect of the upper end. This is the crest of lesser tubercle. This is greater tubercle. It is an elevation that forms the lateral part of the upper end. This is the crest of greater tubercle. This one is lesser tubercle. And this one is the greater tubercle. This is intertubercular sulcus. It separates the lesser tubercle from the greater tubercle. This is surgical neck. It separates the upper end from the shaft. This rough projection is deltoid tuberosity. It is present in the middle of anterior surface. It is the area where deltoid is inserted. Behind deltoid tuberosity is radial groove. This groove provides protection to radial nerve. If any injury occur here, it will cause radial nerve palsy. Anterior lateral surface. It is present between anterior and lateral surface. This anteromedial surface is present between anterior and medial surface. This is medial epicondyle. It is a prominent bony projection on the medial side of the lower end. Above medial epicondyle is a sharp medial margin is medial supracondylar ridge. This is lateral epicondyle. It is on the lateral side and is smaller than medial epicondyle. This prominent margin is lateral supracondylar ridge. This is trochlea. It articulates with the trochlear notch of the ulna to form humerulnar joint. This is capitulum. It articulates with the head of radius to form humeroradial joint. Above capitulum is radial fossa. Above trochlea is coronoid fossa. On posterior side is olecranon fossa. It provides space for the olecranon of the ulna during elbow extension.